And this is how Alyssa acts when she gets something that she likes. Yeah, right? You like bananas? This is oatmeal and bananas. Mmm. Good stuff? Yeah, you like bananas and oatmeal. Mmm. Good stuff, huh? Yeah, you like it. You're kicking up a storm. Let's see them feet. Kicking up. There we go. Kicking up a storm. Yeah, you're so silly. You're so silly. Today's March 6th, 2012. Yeah, yes. I like a banana. Alyssa. Hey, Phoebe. Hi. Ah, Pooey. Yeah?
Sit down.
Yeah. Let's see, we got any more bananas? Good stuff.